Hey everyone, welcome back. So today what we're going to be talking about is angle-angle triangle similarity theorem. So basically when we have two triangles, if two pairs of your corresponding angles, so if two pairs of corresponding angles are congruent, then you can say that your two triangles are similar. Okay, so for example, what I have down here, I have two triangles, ABC and QRS. So in this case, we know that angle A is congruent to angle Q based on the marking. So angle A has one little arc. So does angle Q, which means they're congruent. Same thing for angle B and angle R. So if angle A and Q are congruent and B is congruent to angle R, then we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle QRS, okay? So basically, angle-angle triangle similarity theorem just says that when you have two triangles and two of the angles in your triangles are the same, then you can say that those triangles are similar. So over here, I have an example. We have a triangle ABC. So I'm going to go ahead and draw out this triangle ABC. Okay. And we have some angle measurements given. So angle A is 35 degrees and angle B is 70. So I'm going to go ahead and find the measure of angle C here. And if you don't know how to do this, then I would suggest looking back at one of my videos about triangle sum theorem. But the measure of the three angles in a triangle is always going to equal 180 degrees. So I'm going to go ahead and add angles A, B, and C and set it equal to 180 and solve for C. So angle A is 35, angle B is 70, plus angle C equals 180. 35 plus 70 is 105, plus angle C still equals 180. Subtract 105 from both sides. So we get that angle C equals 75 degrees. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and plug that in here. So the reason I found the measure of all three angles here is because now it's going to be really easy for me to figure out which of these five triangles is similar to ABC, because all I'm going to do is these three letters that are here for all of the triangles, I'm going to go ahead and put them in the same order that I put A, B, C in, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and start off with our first triangle, DEG. So I'm going to put match up D with A, E with B, and G with C, and then I'm going to go ahead and check. Is angle D 35? It is. That works. And is angle E 70? Yes, it is. That works, which means that this is definitely a possible similar triangle. And then we do it again with the rest of the triangles that are here, okay? So we have GHI, again, in the same order, G, H, and I. Read through the statement and check. We see here that it says angle I is 95, which is not true. Angle I is 75. So this triangle is not similar to ABC. Then we have JKL. J is 35. K is B and L is 75. This works out as well. And we can go ahead and continue with the other statements. We have M and O, same order, M and O. Check. Is N 70? Yes. Is O 75? Yes. This one works as well. And then finally, the last statement, you can already tell it's not going to work because angle Q is 30. Q is over here. So Q should have been 70, which means that the last statement is no good. So now our final answer here should be C. Triangles 1, 3, and 4 are similar to triangle ABC. And then here, again, we have two similar triangles. Triangle DEF is similar to triangle ABC. We're trying to find the measure of angle A. We know that since they're similar, D is going to match with A. E is going to match with B. And F is going to match with C. So now from here, we know that C is 90 degrees, B is 35, and since D and A are the same, that means that A has to be 55. So the measure of angle A equals 55 degrees, okay? So this is basically angle-angle triangle similarity theorem. in a nutshell. So if you guys have any questions, as always, you can ask. There are a couple of questions down here that you can try as well to help you get a little bit more familiar with this. So I suggest go ahead and pause the video and try out this question. You should get that your answer for this one, the measure of angle X, it should equal, let's see, A is 72, B is 38, 72 plus 38. Dun, dun, dun. So angle X should be 70 degrees once you finish doing all of the math for this one, okay? So go ahead and pause the video. Well, unpause it now, but you can go ahead and check your answer with mine. You should have gotten 70 degrees for X. So if you guys have any questions, you can go ahead and leave a comment below and I will go ahead and check through that. And as always, please like and subscribe to my channel so that I can go ahead and continue helping out people on YouTube and helping out students like yourself with geometry. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.